Joel from Performance Exhaust here today, guys, and we've got this lovely i30 N line in. This vehicle is going to be getting one of XForce's VAREX Catbacks. It's a 3-inch system, VAREX meaning valve, so you can open it from 0 to 100% with 25% increments. We'll get the car up, get the old one ripped off, we'll show you how we do it. Alright, so you can see we've got the car up in the air now. Having a look at the rear, standard rear. Coming through, looks like we've got a very loud exhaust leak right here. You can actually hear it when you're sitting in the car, it sounds like a fluttering. So if you guys ever have a vehicle that has got a fluttering exhaust, chances are leaking somewhere or something's blown out. But moving down, we can see that someone has deleted the resonator in this. Again, this is probably a XForce resonator delete. But being that we're doing a full catback system, we're going to go from this flange all the way out, getting replaced, and have a valved muffler in the rear as well. So yeah, we'll rip this one off, get the new one unboxed, show you what it's like, and get it going. Sorry to butt in there, guys. Unfortunately, while I was editing this, I realized I didn't get a video of what the system looks like installed. The next few clips are a before and after, and while I've got this opportunity, if there's anything else you'd like to see from Performance Exhaust, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Cheers.